Working out with friends is one of the most amazing things on earth. It is motivational, fun, and a great way to spend time with friends. When you are working out with friends, you can encourage each other to push harder and have more fun. You can also make new friends while working out. There is something truly inspiring about having a bird as a pet. Watching them fly and interact with their environment is mesmerizing. Birds are also very intelligent creatures and can be trained to do tricks or even learn to say a few words. They are a great addition to any home and can bring happiness and joy to everyone who interacts with them. There are endless ways to enjoy vanilla ice cream, and it's perfect for any occasion. You can eat it by itself, top it with your favorite toppings, or use it in recipes. No matter how you eat it, vanilla ice cream is sure to put a smile on your face. So the next time you're feeling down, why not reach for a bowl of delicious vanilla ice cream? I promise you won't regret it.